Welcome to a world where machines do the impossible. From raw power to surgical precision, we showcase the most impressive tools and tech in action. Sit back and get ready for a ride through the heart of heavy machinery. Watch closely. This isn't just a man with a chainsaw, it's a master at work. Every movement is calculated. Every cut placed with absolute precision. One wrong angle, and the entire tree could fall the wrong way. He studies the trunk, listens to the creaks, adjusts his grip. It's not brute force, it's control, focus, and patience. And when the final cut lands, boom! Wow, what a fall. Meet the Bandit 2590 track, a true monster in the world of wood chippers. Built for extreme jobs, this track machine handles entire trees like they're twigs. With its high-capacity feed system and massive drum, it devours logs in seconds. No hesitation, no clogging. The track base gives it unbeatable mobility in rough terrain, making it perfect for off-road forestry operations. Everything about this machine screams efficiency, powerful hydraulics, advanced controls, and an engine that doesn't back down. Whether it's storm cleanup or logging, the 2590 track delivers raw performance with precision. Watch it chew through timber like it's nothing. This is industrial power at its finest. You're looking at the Vermeer stump grinder, one of the most efficient machines ever built for eliminating tree stumps. This isn't just about cutting wood, it's about precision removal down to the last inch. Armed with a powerful cutting wheel and carbide-tipped teeth, this grinder makes quick work of even the toughest stumps. Hard oak, wet pine, doesn't matter. The Vermeer slices through them like butter. But what really sets it apart is control. The operator has full command over speed, depth, and direction, allowing for surgical grinding without damaging the surrounding area. The articulation system provides smooth maneuvering even in tight or uneven spaces. And thanks to its compact size, it fits where bulkier machines can't go. Perfect for residential jobs or tight landscapes. Every pass of the wheel sends wood chips flying, turning stubborn roots into fine mulch in seconds. There's no guesswork, just precision, power, and results. And when the job's done, all that's left is clean soil. And the question, was there ever a stump there at all? This is the CNC equipment wood splitter, and it doesn't split wood, it obliterates it. With a massive hydraulic ram and reinforced steel wedge, it crushes thick logs with brutal efficiency. No struggling, no second tries, just raw, unstoppable force. Log after log, the machine keeps going, clean splits, flawless control. It's not just powerful, it's relentless. This is what domination looks like, one log at a time. Here's the perfect combo of precision and power. The Nisula 555C harvester head, mounted on a Volvo EC145. This setup turns a standard excavator into a high-performance forestry machine. The 555C grips, cuts, and delimb trees in one smooth motion. Fast, clean, and incredibly efficient. Paired with Volvo's stability and hydraulic power, it handles even dense stands like it's nothing. Whether you're thinning or clearing, every movement is controlled, every cut exact. It's not just logging, it's next-level timber harvesting, built for serious productivity. Before the Tajfun RCA 400 Joy takes over, there's one crucial step: pre-splitting. This process breaks down oversized logs into manageable sections, making feeding faster, smoother, and safer. Using a dedicated hydraulic splitter, operators cut each log with precision, reducing stress on the main processor. It's not just about speed, it's about optimizing the entire wood-cutting workflow. When logs are properly pre-split, the Tajfun works at peak performance, slicing and stacking firewood without interruption. The result? A seamless, high-efficiency operation from raw timber to ready-to-burn logs. Simple, smart, and built for serious volume. Discover the Earth Auger, your ultimate ally for tough terrain. This machine doesn't just drill holes, it carves them out with surgical precision. Even through dense roots and packed soil, compact but powerful, it slips into tight spaces where bigger tools fail. It's fast, efficient, and designed for those who want clean results without the struggle. If you're serious about landscaping, this is more than just a tool. It's a breakthrough. Ready to see it in action? Let's go. This is the John Deere 540G3, and when it's time to bring trees down, this beast doesn't flinch. Designed for serious forestry work, it's a powerhouse skidder that grabs, pulls, and drops timber with unmatched control. Its massive winch and strong grapple arms let it lock onto heavy logs, drag them effortlessly through dense terrain, and position them with precision. What makes the 540G3 special isn't just brute force, it's the balance. A powerful engine paired with articulated steering gives it both strength and agility, even on steep, uneven ground. The operator has full visibility and intuitive controls, making every move count. And when a tree goes over, it's not chaos, it's calculated. The trunk falls exactly where it should. No damage, no waste, just perfect execution. Whether it's clearing, skidding, or handling massive loads, the 540G3 delivers. From the first grab to the final drop, this machine is built to dominate the forest, one tree at a time. This is the Black Splitter, a hydraulic cone splitter that turns massive logs into clean splits with brutal precision. Mounted on an excavator, it drills straight into the wood and tears it apart effortlessly. No blades, no axes, just pure torque. Whether it's fresh-cut timber or dense hardwood, the Black Splitter gets the job done in seconds. Efficient, controlled, powerful. Power, precision, and pure engineering. That's what we bring every time. If you enjoy watching the world's most insane machines at work, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next one. You won't want to miss it.